Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.